Good morning, friends. How are you doing this morning? Miss Charles is bringing you the question of the day today. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, and we are going to talk about our ball study. And the question of the day today is which ball is bigger, a basketball or a baseball? Which ball is bigger? So you're going to tell your parents the answer, and they're going to text Miss Charles and tell Miss Charles your answer. Or when I call you, if your time is today, you can tell Miss Charles your answer, okay? And if you notice around Miss Charles's chart, I have put a few different types of balls in here. We, of course, have our baseball and our basketball. We also have a soccer ball, a volleyball, a football, a softball, and a ball of yarn. Did you know that balls can be made out of lots of different things? Well, today when we read our story, we will read all about different types of balls, okay? All right, friends, I'll see